Kak Meghalaya Human Rights Commission lane MHRC lingba chairman retired Justice T. Vaifei. Haka pratare gunaitung arhajar apusan kala pentib ba kala depshim jing itu kerpang ya ka jing Mudui na ka kong Mildred Kyrwoh kala pentib ba ukhun jongka usha bom Dusmon haki Pulit ka Sora Police Station. Chairman uloong baka commission kala pa notice cho USP ka East Khasi Hills District boon pa ya ka Kaiphod halor ka tay ka jing Mudui haswa ka laipuway tarig unaitung arhajar apusan. Kami haringkat kinong yalam ka HNYF Central Executive Committee but Southeast Khasi Hills District ilawan bu da ka jing Mudui haka nyaw tarig unaitung arhajar apusan hakmat ka commission kumju sya USP. Ka jing Mudui kalaong ba Samla get win Kyrwoh hakanay sinem karta ula sya bom jingem hagi Pulit ka Sora men haka laitarik unaitung arhajar apusan hadien baka kami kala led IT yau ha station namar ka jingwat ki Pulit yau nakada ka kam ya syo ju bad way Samla ka balaja haka apa pratarik ujileu arhajar apusan loong ba onda ka kami kala let syaw yau haka por janmit la syempen ban ba ula mensaujur na ka benta jingsyong namar ka jing sya bom jingem haki Pulit mat kumta Alam yau sya Sora CHC ban Sumar.
The complaint in question has been received yesterday and today we have taken cognizance of it. We have asked the SP East Khasi Hills District to submit a report on or before 31st July 2025. Based on the report, we will take appropriate action.
We have a hearing on this day?
No. We are taking cognizance, but the other parties have not come. That will come later after receiving the report of the SP.
Habathin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya